everyone on another episode of Alfaz Uncut. I'm your host Shreyank, and for today's episode, we have a flamboyant group of people known for their out of box concepts and events. We have with us Manya, Vartika, and Preksha, the core team of this, guys, the Fashion Society of USME. Guys, thank you for doing this. It's a pleasure talking to you all.
Thanks, Shreyank.
Thanks.
Yeah,
Hi, everyone.
yeah. Thanks for having us.
Okay, Fashion Society started when all of you guys were in the second year, and I was with Vartika and Manya when it started. So, तुम दोनों का what was your thought process? Like, how did you think this was a good idea, and how did you come together to decide to do this?
Okay, there's a story behind it. So I'll start, then maybe Vartika can go ahead
Yeah, sure.
talking about it. So basically, when we joined USME, we were not really impressed by. Of course, we did not, like other societies in the sense that, मतलब पता नहीं, we were not excited to join other societies, didn't match our maybe interests as much. And we thought कि मतलब एक fashion society is missing in our college, and it was there in other DU colleges. So I think that's when we sat together and we thought, let's start our own society. So yeah, Vartika, please continue.
So and that too, this realization came a little bit. This did not happen in the first semester. Like almost the first year of our college went being without part of any other society, and we were like those legend kids, जो किसी society का part नहीं होते, वो खुद ही society बनाते हैं. So like one fine day, Mane and I were having just a late night call, bitching about rest of the people, ऐसे casual. So in that I suggested her like. हम अपनी क्यों नहीं एक सोसाइटी बनाते एंड देन शी वाज द वन हु सेड फैशन सोसाइटी एंड देन वी वर लाइक या एंड फ्रॉम दैट डे हमने कभी पीछे मुड़ के देखा ही नहीं रिसर्च अप्रूवल्स लोगों को अप्रोच करना बाकी सोसाइटीज कैसे होती हैं DUIP की फैशन सोसाइटीज की कैसे बनाना है प्रोसेस क्या है चलता गया एंड देन दिस थॉट केम इन February 2019 एंड बाय August 2019 वी हैड आवर सोसाइटी रेडी एंड आफ्टर दैट बस तब से आज तक चले ही जा रहे हैं इवेंट्स वगैरह दैट्स इट
And actually, one thing, about setting the entire society from scratch, it's some sort of an accomplishment.
Well, yeah, that's commendable, and that also brings me to my next question कि प्लान करना तो सभी कर लेते हैं बट एग्जीक्यूशन में ही ज्यादा मुश्किल आती है और एग्जीक्यूट करने के लिए जो करेज होता है वो भी कम लोगों में होता है काफी तो वो तो काफी अप्रिशिएटिव बात है तुम लोगों के बारे में सो दैट वाज व्हाट माय क्वेश्चन इज कि जब तुम एग्जीक्यूट करने गए तो आई वाज विद यू गाइस आई वाज लाइक वाचिंग ऑल ऑफ यू गाइस डू दिस थिंग तो व्हाट वाज द होल process like dealing with the college admin getting students to sign up ki chalo we will pledge to be a part of the society I remember you guys had presented in front of the HOD to Mr. Amit sir so how was that whole experience like and what was the process like
so I'll tell you a little bit जब मैंने और माने ने डिसाइड किया कि now we are going to like pitch this idea to others कि ये हम मजाक में नहीं कर रहे discuss the society अब हमें actual में बनानी है तो हमने पहले सीनियर्स वगैरह से हमने पूछा कि सोसाइटी वगैरह बनाने का लाइक व्हाट्स द एक्चुअल प्रोसेस देन वी गॉट टू नो कि तुम्हें सीसी के जो हेड थे फैकल्टी एडवाइजर दैट्स अनुराग सर राइट तो तुम्हें उनको अपना प्रपोजल वगैरह सबमिट करना पड़ेगा यू वुड रिक्वायर अ फैकल्टी एडवाइजर फॉर द सेम मतलब एनी ऑफ द प्रोफेसर्स फ्रॉम द कॉलेज एंड लाइक जब ये सारी चीजें सैंक्शन हो जाएंगी लाइक योर प्रपोजल अलॉन्ग विद लाइक योर इंटायर सोसाइटी का प्लान सेटअप देन आपको HOD को प्रेजेंट करना पड़ेगा बट ये सारी जो चीजें थी बोलने में जितनी आसान लगती है ना कि बस ये 2-3 लोगों से अप्रूवल लेना है इसमें हमें मंथ्स लग गए थे एंड ऑफ कोर्स देयर वर टाइम्स जब हम लोग बहुत ऐसे डल हो जाते थे दोनों में से किसी एक को लगता था शायद नहीं हो पाएगा मे बी वी जस्ट लीव इट बट दैट वाज वन थिंग बिकॉज वी वर बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स वी वर लाइक वेरी क्लोज तो अगर कोई एक इंसान वो डाउन होता था मतलब डिमोटिवेटेड होता था तो दूसरा कहता था नहीं वी विल डू इट एंड ग्रेजुअली वो ऐसे करते करते एट द एंड ऑफ द डे वो हो गया तो मतलब दैट इज वन थिंग कि अगर तुम किसी के साथ तुम्हारी कंपैटिबिलिटी है एंड यू गाइज आर देयर टू मोटिवेट ईच अदर कि तुम एंड तक फिर पहुंच जाओगे एंड ये तो बिगेस्ट टेक अवे टाइप ऑफ हो गया मेरा कॉलेज के उससे कि अगर तुम गिव अप ना करो तो हो जाती हैं चीजें So yeah, Manya, would you like to add something?
Sorry for interrupting. I don't know about Manya, but अगर background में श्रेयांक और प्रेक्षा जैसे दोस्त हों सपोर्ट करें तो वो कितना ही अच्छा लगता है
You need people like these. Okay.
Definitely.
मतलब कितना ही अच्छा लगता है जो श्रेयांक और प्रेक्षा तुम्हारे साथ स्टे बैक में रुके हुए हैं, तुम्हारे लिए ऑडिशंस भी कंडक्ट करा रहे हैं. इट्स अमेजिंग.
हाँ, and
हाँ
signatures भी ले रहे हैं. I
Of
remember
course.
हाँ
getting signatures अजीब
एग्जैक्टली
लोगों
मतलब
से.
दैट इज सो नाइस. मतलब तुम लोगों ने भी, यू वर द फर्स्ट फ्यू मेंबर्स ऑफ आवर सोसाइटी, एंड तुमने भी, हमने जब तुम्हें आइडिया बताया था, इट्स नाइस कि तुमने हम पे ट्रस्ट किया, बिलीव किया कि वील बी एक्चुअली यू नो डूइंग दिस थिंग. तो वी नीड सपोर्ट एंड थैंक यू फॉर सपोर्टिंग अस.
Yes, thanks a lot. But हाँ, जैसे when Martika was talking about each other supporting, I mean we both supporting each other. मतलब initial stages में जब हमने ये idea बहुत कम लोगों को बताया था, बहुत कम के इनफैक्ट it was just 2 of us, and जिनको पता था वो हमारे seniors वगैरह थे जिनसे हम बात कर रहे थे. And at that point of time we were getting constant discouragements and मतलब बहुत कुछ हमें कहा गया कि HOD सर नहीं मानेंगे, you don't have a very good proposal, तुम्हें 4-5 दिन लग जाएंगे. But we were still determined, and मतलब that is what got us here, because very mystically in our first meeting itself HOD was impressed by us. And apparently उस दिन सिर्फ हमारी HOD के साथ नहीं, पूरे फैकल्टी के साथ मीटिंग हुई थी, because हम जिस दिन हमें बुलाया गया था उस दिन फैकल्टी मीटिंग चल रही थी. तो we pitched our idea to everybody and everybody was excited. So that was a good part, that we didn't give up, and that was because of each other's support. And of course जब society बननी शुरू हुई तो so many of our friends, especially Shreyank and Preksha, helped us a lot. So thank you so much guys.
Okay. Preksha, you've worked पहले like under these presidents. ठीक है. I mean, I also have. By the way, everyone who's listening and doesn't know, I was a part of Disguise, but I was brutally kicked out by Manya. Okay, like I was kicked out of the group because apparently I had no role in the society, and I was really hurt, and I cried for 3
Brutally,
days.
come on, with
I
respect
think
and
you were in
I
dignity.
was
every
kicked out. You
society.
were kicked out by Manya. It
No,
said.
no, not true.
हाँ ठीक है. हाँ तो वो, but like Preksha, you've come from a way कि मतलब you worked under these two, right? And now you are like leading with them too. So
Yeah.
how was that journey for you? Did you find these guys strict? Were they helpful? Were they rude? Were they nice? What was it like?
Dude, they are my like I found them like friends, okay? They were not strict to me or lovable to me. I did whatever I wanted to do. But yeah, let me bring this. Whatever they asked, I always did that. So maybe one of the reasons can be that they trusted that I'll do whatever work would be assigned to me. And it has been a good ride. Like obviously I didn't want to go in some other society because I don't know, there wasn't enough trust between the members, or I don't know, I didn't feel like a part of them. So yeah, the society made me feel like that. So it has
That's
been a good
wonderful.
ride.
So now you are the Fashion Society. I have one question, fashion related. What is one fashion? I want all three of you to answer. What is one fashion trend you just don't get?
Denim on denim for me. I don't
Animal
understand.
print. I don't get it.
As for me, there's no any specific trend. Like there are a few trends which do not actually go on the body type which I have, but yeah, there are days even when I like denim on denim, and certain kind of outfits which actually look good on animal print. Although also I'm not very much a fan of animal print, but you know, certain clothing items or even accessories look good in that. So
I don't
yeah.
know. I don't find animal print at all
Yeah,
nice.
animals look very
And there's
irritating
just
and
one
annoying.
person who looks good in animal print. She's like a
Lady
model,
Gaga.
and no, not even
Oh,
Lady
come
Gaga.
on.
There is this Gesto staff person, and she's the only one who I can imagine in animal print. Otherwise, everyone looks bad. Everyone. I don't know why. It's that.
It's not
Cruella
that
de
kind
Vil.
of a trend which will look good on everybody or like everything. It is very selective kind of a trend, I believe.
Yeah. So I don't get
Just for
what
a fact,
मैंने तो
Lady Gaga wears
बचपन में
real meat as well. So
oh,
that's
yeah, I mean
Yeah,
fair.
over the
it
top.
hurt me so
Yeah.
much.
मैंने बचपन में 101 डायमेंशंस देखी थी और उसमें वो क्रूएला डीवेल कहती मेरे को इनका
हाँ.
फर पहनना है. मैं तब से एनिमल प्रिंट से डरता हूँ. मेरे को लगता है हर जगह वो एक टाइगर को पहना हुआ है. तो वो आई गेट परीक्षा.
New movie is coming out.
Hi guys, welcome to a podcast with 60 FPS, the Filmmaking Society.
Oh no. We are
ठीक है.
just
Next question is not by me, it's by the entire Alfaz core team. Actually, by all the societies. इतने sponsor लाते कहाँ से हो?
it's the team hard work. हम बहुत अच्छा काम करते हैं.
वाह,
Exactly.
क्या diplomatic
No,
answer
but
दिया.
No,
yeah, we
it's
have our like
basically
own tactics and all. Like we have like found out the correct way to approach people and the kind of sponsors which we actually need and like how to target them, how to approach them. And I would say like in the first beginning, like you have to try a lot. Like तुम्हें थोड़ा सा देखना पड़ेगा कि कैसे लोगों को अप्रोच करते हैं स्टार्टिंग में जब हम फर्स्ट फ्यू स्पॉन्सर्स ढूंढ रहे थे. बट एक बार जब आ जाता है तो वो एक रिथम बन जाता है. एंड कभी कभी हमें एक्स्ट्रा स्पॉन्सर्स को हटाना पड़ जाता है बिकॉज इतने ज्यादा हो
वाह.
जाते हैं है ना guys?
the
Just
thing is
ask.
that
I mean, talking about
this
this.
is
Sorry,
basically
sorry. Yeah.
all these ideas comes from team members also. Like
Hmm.
I am right now working with a team, and these people were making some rules and like how to approach them, how to shorten the message or something like that, how to attract them. So I have to say that I think the other members have worked on this much
Plus,
better
yeah, plus
than
I
us.
think the
So
the diversity of children. So we have children, I mean students from MBA as well, BBA, BA of course. तो मतलब MBA वालों को ज्यादा experience होता है. So when we see and compare, those people are able to get good sponsors or get sponsors faster, and they also, I mean, teach how to get sponsors to other people. So again, I'm telling you, it's teamwork only. ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि कोई एक आदमी काम करता है या कोई एक इंसान काम करता है. It's all a teamwork.
Yes, and like I've seen this trend. I'm not going to take any names, but I've seen some societies repeating sponsors that you've already taken.
yeah, I
Yeah.
have
So
seen
is it?
today only. I was
Yeah,
very
I also
shocked.
saw. So yeah, I done. Yeah, again. So do you feel frustrated when it happens? कि मतलब frustrated क्या यार उनको चलो उनको ethical लगा नहीं लगा उनकी मर्जी है. But obviously at some point you're like यार I mean we put our heart and sweat into this. पर ये क्यों ये तो cheating नहीं है. What do you feel?
Unethical है, of course, a little bit. But at the end of the day, I think it's okay for us because we think कि we are at such a position that people have started, getting inspired by us. I wouldn't say cheat.
Oh.
I don't want to use negative words. I wouldn't say cheat. Maybe getting inspired by us. They use our sponsors, which is a good prospect for even our sponsors. They are, they are getting a good, bigger audience. So I'm happy for both of them. So that's a good thing, I think.
And the
All
thing
right.
is that we are not like shortage of sponsors, right? We are
Yeah.
trying to connect more small businesses. So maybe that's not really a problem. But like for instance, I think that these societies need to like tap into their members and ask them to contact these sponsors because obviously 3-4 members cannot do that.
Right. Fair enough. Right. Okay. So, obviously, fashion. I mean, we've all been to fashion events per se, and हमने देखा है, there's talent hunts, there's ramp walks and whatnot. Because fashion is something that looks obviously better in person, right? So, how did this online shift, and this whole lockdown affect your strategy related to events, and with respect to fashion in general?
So I would like to add into this earlier, like as you said, there were like talent hunts, ramp walk, and the entire, fashion show taking place. So at that point of time, it was limited to, Delhi NCR people only, people, students participating from DUIP colleges. But like when we had our first competition, it was Polaroid. We had it in like 2020 May or April, I guess. So that was the first competition which we organized, and we had pan India participation. Like people were from like West Bengal, Mumbai, and from where not. So that was nice to see that. First of all, Disguise and USME DTU being introduced to them on such a huge level, and then getting to know people and people being so much enthusiastic about our competition. So that was a very good point for us because अगर ये offline होता तो शायद से हम नहीं कर पाते because लोगों को
Right.
बुलाना, I don't think so it would be that much easy to execute. So ये एक plus point था.
हाँ, in
Yeah,
terms
that's
of
that's
ideas
fair.
also, I think पहले हमें भी लगा था कि बहुत restrictive हो जाएगा because see, fashion is all about, again, as you say, it's very visual. Fashion show होता है and pageant competitions होते हैं. But through the time, we also learned कि we also started brainstorming new ideas. So we also thought कि एक fashion treasure hunt हो सकता है वो भी online. So these are, I mean, we came up with a lot of new ideas. and we also conducted competitions. So that is a very good point, I think.
Yeah, for
That's
our
true.
society, I would say this has never been a setback. कि
Hmm.
offline है या online है. We have been active throughout, even before the pandemic had hit. So yeah, it's plus situation for us.
Right. So yeah, I mean that's the spirit to go, right? Because a lot of, I mean, I've talked to people अभी college के कि यार ये हो गया वो हो गया online में ये मजा नहीं आ रहा वो नहीं आ रहा, but I mean I've been in touch with your Instagram feed and it's beautiful, right?
Hmm.
It's, I mean, you managed to bring that out very beautifully. तो वही तो अब ऑनलाइन की बात कर ही रहे हैं तो प्रेक्षा, आई वांट टू नो फ्रॉम यू व्हाट इज द मोस्ट अनोइंग थिंग you find about college online in general, like lectures, students, classmates,
I
professors,
think
what?
I'm more involved in classes right now than I was involved in offline classes. I don't know why. Because these people, I don't know, they have made attendance compulsory. Okay, that was a problem even during offline classes. But I don't know, these feel long, and like, and for there is this thinking I have. It's like, okay, now today I won't attend any class, but after some time I'm like, okay, I'll switch on my laptop and just enter the meeting. I'll get one attendance free, and
I
that
hope no
wouldn't
teacher is
happen.
watching this.
And that wouldn't happen. Okay, all teachers can come at me. I don't care. I'm gonna tell the truth. And
God.
in college, it happens like, okay, I want to miss the college. Let's go somewhere. Let's go to CP. You go. Okay, there is no choice of you to coming back and joining the class, right? So
Yeah.
I feel like
Yeah,
I think I'm attending more classes than I used to. And
you are the first person who said this, by the way. Like I have nobody, everyone is like हम तो ऑन करके सो जाते हैं.
dude, I don't know. My teachers take attendance, and it has happened that while I was sleeping, that I couldn't give my attendance or roll call or something like that. So it's a bad idea from me. I'm a heavy sleeper. Okay, वो सब light sleepers बोल रहे हैं ये सब बातें हम सो जाते हैं.
ये जाने वाली बात तो एक बार हमारे साथ भी हुई थी ना. For disguise only, I remember we had to go to Gurgaon.
Yeah.
क्या वो द स्टोरी वाज, आई रिमेम्बर, आई लेट एवरीवन नो. फॉर कॉन्टेक्स्ट ये हुआ था कि एक स्पॉन्सर था गुड़गांव में.
Gosh.
उनको कुछ प्राइजेस देने थे इनिजियो के लिए, आई थिंक.
Hmm.
हाँ
Yeah.
तो
Yeah.
ऑब्वियसली कौन सी टीम थी हमारी? ऑपरेशंस, समथिंग लाइक दैट. फाइनेंस,
Logistics.
Huh.
लॉजिस्टिक्स, या लॉजिस्टिक्स.
One work
और
you've done and you keep.
Yeah, he still uses that
I know.
excuse,
I
but
know.
it was a lot of work, man. Okay.
I've
excuse
never
me,
I
excuse
haven't
discredited,
me,
gone to
Manya,
Gurgaon,
Manisha, you didn't wake up at 7:30 to go to Gurgaon, okay?
but I've never discredited your work.
I still haven't got 75 rupees as my metro refund.
You shall get once we get the budget.
हाँ, so anyway, for context ये हुआ था कि हम गुड़गांव गए थे और इमानी ने कहा स्पॉन्सर है, लॉजिस्टिक्स टीम में से कोई जाएगा. देखा 5 लोग थे लॉजिस्टिक्स में. 2 ने कहा हमारा इवेंट है, एक ने कहा कि मैं तो आ ही नहीं रहा. 2 लोग बचे,
अब
प्रेक्षा,
दोनों बच्चे प्रेक्षा श्रेयांक जो मना नहीं कर सकते.
जो मना नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि डांट पड़ेगी. ठीक है, मान्य से
डांट.
डर लगता है सबको.
Please,
ठीक
I'm
है.
the sweetest person on earth.
नहीं, मेरे को
हाँ हाँ
डर
हाँ.
नहीं लगता है. मेरे को लगता है कि मैं my friend, why should I let her down, something like that. Okay, it's
ओह हाँ, सही
basically
झूठ बोल रही है, इसको डर लगता है. बट एनीवे,
नहीं,
ठीक है.
मुझे नहीं डर लगता
ठीक है,
मान्या से.
ठीक है. तो हम सुबह सुबह उठे, हम गए. एक तो एवरीवन, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली यू प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर फेस्ट, like fest clothes, right? I'm wearing this shirt, उस पे इतना पसीना आ रहा है, गंदा हो गया सब कुछ. ठीक है, परीक्षा भी ऐसे मस्त अपने शूज वूज पहन के आई है. और हम आई रिमेम्बर परीक्षा तो भागी थी रैपिड मेट्रो में.
Yeah, I
In
was
heels.
wearing heels. I
या
ran metro में
या एंड
to
वी
catch a train.
वेंट, या सिकंदरपुर पे वी वेंट एंड वी रैन, बिकॉज उसमें ना टाइमर आता है 3 मिनट में नेक्स्ट ट्रेन. तो हमने कहा बहुत नींद आ रही है, अब ये मिस करनी नहीं. सो वी रैन till Sikandarpur, and I don't know how we got that train. We came back and it was very tiring, but it was extremely fun.
Yeah.
तो ऐसे और कोई experiences तुम्हारे हुए हैं where you had to travel and go maybe for society work or maybe for college work in general?
I have an experience which is not society related. It's a very personal and tragic experience that I faced in college. So I had actually I don't know what was happening, and my phone fell on the ground
Oh
and
my
it
God.
broke.
Okay, we all remember that incident.
Yes.
We all
Who
of us
doesn't
been
know
there when
that?
this exactly happened.
Who
Yeah.
doesn't know? I don't break my phone every day, but yeah. So I broke my screen really badly, and I was like very sad. So what we did, me and my friends, amazing friends, we had a class. So we had a class in the middle. I don't know. It's very at a very weird time.
1 hour बाद था class English का.
हाँ.
हाँ, कुछ ऐसा ही था. बहुत अजीब सा था. So we went to Gafar in the, I mean, during the day. I mean, before the class, we kept our phone there. We came back to the came back to college. We attended our class. We went back and got my phone. And
But the teacher, I mean, she was very nice in class. But when we told her the story, and you were like, you were quite upset. Obviously, anyone would be. And we told her कि ये तो phone टूट गया, हमें ठीक कराना पड़ेगा ये वो.
she didn't
कहती,
believe.
कहती, you go, you come back in the next class, which is to happen 2 hours later.
Yeah, and
And
that
that
was
was
like
that too
the
in the
other
other
section was going to
section.
have that
Yeah,
class.
so you go and then you come back and then you attend this one and then you get your attendance. And we had to go because that was like once a week वाला class में attendance short पड़ गया तो पड़ गया.
Yeah.
Exactly.
That's
और मेरा तो
his.
पड़ गया था end में, याद है?
क्या कर?
हाँ, we all remember that.
What
In
bad.
mid detention list.
अरे but it wasn't my fault. My attendance is
हाँ, of
पूरा.
course that wasn't for real. अरे मतलब वो हो जाता है ना minor
हाँ.
गलती उनसे एडमिन से.
माइनर गलती. मैंने तो इंटर्नशिप पे कितना चिल्ला चिल्ला के बात की टीचर से फोन पे, मैम ये क्या हो रहा है.
नहीं पर मेरे को भी लगा था मैम को दे देनी चाहिए थी अटेंडेंस. दैट वाज अ बिट एक्स्ट्रा. फालतू में बिठाया क्लास में. पढ़ाया कुछ नहीं.
जबकि इतनी ट्रैजिक
God.
स्टोरी थी.
What one professor all of you really love in college? Like मतलब सब अपना अपना बताओ obviously.
ये तो पुनीत सर ही है ना. ये तो मतलब रिटोरिकल क्वेश्चन नहीं हो गया थोड़ा सा.
ये तो यूनिवर्सल पुनीत
Universal
सर.
professor.
Yeah.
सेम आकांक्षा मैम वाज आल्सो नाइस बट उनसे चांस नहीं मिला बाद में पढ़ने का.
Even
Just one
Ratna
sem.
ma'am is very sweet. She gives us marks.
I love Ratna ma'am. वो बहुत lenient है.
All,
I hope some
all the professors are really nice. If you're listening to it, please give me marks. Thanks.
God, I just want to ask of you maybe one memory about college that you will miss because you know it's about to come to an end. Sad note. Haha. I'm not crying. But yeah.
I liked going alone to places after college because I was
This
so
is the
sad.
most depressing memory.
I
If any
really
junior
miss,
is listening, please don't take inspiration.
yeah, I really miss
Dude, no. Alone trips are nice, okay?
Yes, they are. Fair enough.
If you okay, pro tip, if you have a bad day at college, just go somewhere alone, have something alone. It's the best feeling ever, okay? No one can top that.
But that's after college. He asked, what's your favorite college memory?
Yeah,
that
I
you'll
have
miss.
blocked the college memories, sorry.
That's
Okay,
good.
Manya, what about you?
I really miss that we did not have the fest more than once.
Same. I was about to say
Fest
that.
was like, I think, the best memory of my, because even though however bakwas that fest was, it was like real fun because जो भी अपना ही था छोटा मोटा, it was fun.
No, I wouldn't say it was bakwas. It was genuinely like
It was nice.
respectable.
I'm saying as compared to other colleges, of course, in वैसे. So it was nice. I think that is something that I really miss, and I'm sad that we did not get to attend more than one fest. So yeah, that one.
So yeah, so I think that's it for today's podcast. While going, we would like to say that Fashion Society is having its own fest. If one of you could just talk about it briefly, so our viewers know.
Yes.
Oh yeah, we have this fest happening on 13th to 14th of March. So in case you guys want to participate in any of the competitions or even the webinar series which are happening, you can go and check out our Instagram. So all the details are available there. Please do participate.
Yes.
Yes, this podcast by the Marketing Society is amazing, huh?
Yeah, we just
Yes.
hope that it is launched before the fest, not after the fest. Otherwise, it will get
Okay, no comments. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for listening. Whoever's listening to here, I'm Shreyank. You have Manya, Vartika, and Preksha on the call. This was amazing, guys. Thank you for doing this.
Thank you.
And thank you for listening, everyone. If you listen to this and you talk to Manya, Preksha, and Vartika after this, please ask them कि Shreyank को group से क्यों निकाला. That's
Shreyank
it. We'll be
knows
back.
it.
remember the
No.
name of the team.
Thank you. We'll be back very soon with another podcast. Thank you so much.